I'm starting with the hot pink jelly color. This one's from a cart. Cure for 60 seconds. Now apply heart stickers, but first you want to wipe off the tacky layers so the hearts stick. Don't press them in because you want to be able to peel them off later. Using the AirBrush, spray white gel. Cure for 60 seconds. You don't have to go heavy on this. Using tweezers, peel off the stickers. Don't use your fingers because you don't want to have fingerprints on it. Apply glitter gel around the hearts. For this look, we want to keep the hearts clear. Cure for 60 seconds. Very lightly apply your white gel and then cure for 60 seconds. First, you're going to put down a clear base gel. Don't cure. Apply your glitter shapes and push them in so it can be cured into the design. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply chrome flakes. Add another layer of base gel to ensure no glitter is sticking out. Cure for 60 seconds and then top coat. And that's how I got these cute pink heart design.